welcome to the People Network. My name is Angela Zinser and I'm a systemic business coach and trainer coming from the world of learning and development and talent management.
My name is Jamie Edwards and I have a heritage of helping elite sportsmen go to a different level. People who've competed in events like the Ryder Cup, the Ashes and World Cup Rugby, but transferring those skills into the business arena where we add that to your people.
So why are we here today? We believe that it's difficult for you in today's market to find the right high-quality professionals and to spot the latest trends in learning and development. This is why we founded the People Network. We are a network of various people. We have executive coaches, trainers in leadership development, but also functional skills, role players, embodiment specialists, but also people who do graphic recordings and visualize your workshops.
Our passion is to develop people, to develop your people, and to help them with transferring those skills that they learn in our programs and transfer them into real life situations. What we'd call practicing like you want to play, but play like you practice. Very real, very authentic, and very experiential.
And how are we going to do this? So we really want to understand your world first. Coming from the learning and development background, it's very important for us to understand the needs of the business, to assess the learning needs, to get a proper set of learning objectives that we can stick to, and to measure our impact in the end.
The challenge with organizations today is the distinction between having chats and conversations. Most people are having chats when all the honest conversations in the business are happening everywhere they shouldn't. They happen at the water cooler, they happen in the men's or ladies, they happen in the bar. And so we really want to understand by having a really honest conversation about where you are and where you want to go.
This is why we also would like to have an honest conversation with you about your business and your people and see how we can support you with your people agenda. So please get in touch with us and email us under contact@thepeoplenetwork.com, and we are very much looking forward to meeting you. Thank you very much.